Hello and welcome to MaxPowerSoft's Active Directory Reports. Today we're going to do a basic overview. First, let's run AD Reports. When we start the application, it loads current forest information including domains and trusted domains. Since AD Reports works per domain basis, we have to select a domain from the forest tree to enable all report tabs. Let's go ahead and do this. After we select a domain, AD Reports loads selected domain information such as domain security policy, domain LDAP attributes, and domain controllers. It also enables all report tabs. By default, all domain controllers are selected, which means that for reports with non-replicated attributes like last logout, for example, every domain controller will be scanned to provide accurate results. If for some reason you do not want some domain controllers to be scanned, you can deselect them by clicking on a checkbox next to the domain controller name. Now let's click on a User tab to open the user reports. On the left side, you can see a tree with all user reports combined in 6 logical sections. General user reports, user account status reports, user logon status reports, user password status reports, groups membership user reports, and administrators. To load a report, we just simply select it from the tree. For example, to load disabled users, we just click on Disabled Report, and all disabled users are loaded. And there we go. To sort our report by any column, just simply click on that column name. To adjust the column width, right-click on a column header and select Best Fit to adjust the current column. Or you can click Best Fit All Columns to adjust all the columns. Also, you can use a built-in filter to filter your reports by simply typing in a filter row or by selecting the filter editor. The selected report settings window shows you the current report settings. In the logger window, you can see a log information about current report, for example, how long it took to load the report. On the right side, there are 4 tabs that display detailed information about the selected user. Every tab has a checkbox to enable loading that information. Let's go ahead and select that. Every time we select a user from the grid, these tabs will be populated with the information about the selected user. Also, these windows are dockable. You can rearrange them or minimize them to make more space for the report window. Now we're going to talk about the report wizard. Every report can be customized, and every report setting can be saved for the current domain or for all domains in the current forest. To customize a report, click on Customize button. The report wizard is loaded. There are 3 tabs in it: General Filter Settings, Grid Column Settings, and Membership Settings. In the General Filter Settings, you can specify a search route to begin the search from. Also, you can select the search scope. Using the LDAP Filter Builder, you can build and add your own LDAP filter to the selected report. To add another filter condition, just click on that little plus sign next to that condition. Select an attribute from the attribute list, select a condition from the condition list, and type a condition value. In the selected LDAP attribute filter window, you can see your filter condition, which is converted to an LDAP query. Also, you can limit the number of objects loaded for the selected report. In the grid column settings, you can select columns or attributes that you want to load for the selected report. Predefined user attributes list contains the most frequently used attributes. AD user attributes list contains the rest of Active Directory attributes. To add an attribute to the report, just double-click it, or select it from the list and click Add to Grid button. Also, you can just drag and drop it to the specific location in the grid. To remove a column from the grid, just drag it outside of the grid. Membership Settings tab allows you to manage membership settings for the selected report. To enable loading membership, select Load Membership checkbox and select membership settings you want. When we are done with the change report settings, we need to save it. There are several options to save a report. If we click Save and Exit button, the report settings will be saved and the report will be reloaded if the checkbox Reload Selected Report after Save and Exit is checked. If you want to save the report settings for all user reports, click Apply Settings to All Reports button. From the pop-up window, select Settings. Also, you can save the report as a separate custom report and run it from the Special Custom Reports tab. To do this, click Save as Custom button, type a report name, select Save it for current or all domains, and click Save. You can export your report in many different formats by selecting Export from the toolbar. If you want to preview your report and add some more information, click Print Preview button. Using the Print Preview window, you can change your print options. You can also change the header and footer. Also, you can enhance the watermark. You can create a watermark specific to your report. For instance, we're going to add in confidential. And with that, we have a report here that we can actually also export into these other formats as well from the Print Preview window. And there's the email function. Alright, well thank you so much for your time. This has been a basic overview of Max PowerSoft's Active Directory Reports tool.